guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it's very disgusting outside. It's raining, it's gray, and it's also a holiday. It's Victoria Day. So I'm really not going to be up to much. My boyfriend is working until 7:30, so I figured I would just kind of have like a lazy day and just kind of tidy some things here and there, and I could bring you guys along with me for like a little day in the life. And yeah, so just keep watching. Okay, so first thing on the agenda is to tackle these disgusting ass dishes that have been piled up for probably 2 days now. Also, I need to clean the kitchen. As you can see, it's quite messy. I have some oven cleaner cleaning up the oven now, washed up the racks earlier, so all that's left to do is these dishes and scrub the counter. Also, while I do my dishes, I typically will like listen to a podcast or put a YouTube video on and listen to somebody talk, so I'm gonna go ahead and search for a YouTube video right now. Recently, I've been loving Kaylin Nicholson on her second channel, her Co's channel. She does like a video every single day just kind of talking about a different topic, so I think I might see what she has for today's topic and go ahead and watch that. Finishing the dishes, and I realized I really need a coffee, so I'm going to make one. Okay, so all the dishes are done, and now I'm going to wipe down the top of this and the counter, and yeah. The kitchen is done. I mean, I didn't do like a deep clean or anything. Like I said, it's just like a little tidy, but I will give you a little after. And this is just my coffee mug. So now that I'm done this, I am just gonna go tidy up the living room a little bit. The carpet needs to be vacuumed, and I need to wipe down the table in there. There's Luna lounging on the couch. Alright, so now I'm just going to vacuum out here and tidy up the mess of the table. Fresh out the bath, I exfoliated my face, shaved, did all that, and now I'm just gonna relax, and Josh should be here literally any minute, and we're gonna watch a movie, and then probably we're gonna watch a movie. Sorry, the lighting is shit. Okay, so we're gonna watch a movie, as I just said like 10 times, and then we will probably get into bed, and I will edit this video. Hey Luna, you wanna come see me? And yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my vlogs, definitely let me know, or just thumbs this video up, and I will make more. This was my first vlog, so please bear with me, and hopefully it was good, and don't mind my ratchetness here. I don't always look like this.